Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to convert your pictures to anime picture with a click of a button. So I found this really cool website, deepfakemaker.io, where you can actually go and sign in, then click on the image AI, scroll and choose the AI anime photo option there, and you'll be brought to a page where you can actually upload your image and then convert it to anime. All you have to do is to scroll down. If you want to a more detailed um, form of how to use it, you can click on this how to use. But once you're on the page, just upload your original image here. Then here is the prompt section where you can actually input your prompts and describe the image style and the content you would like to see. Then you can also go on to choose your image ratio depending on what purpose you want it for: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, depending, and then click generate now, and within few seconds you would have your image readily available for download. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.